In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Formstack, Beginner's Guide. We'll go from getting signed in to building a simple form so you can start collecting information with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Formstack. Head to the official site and look for the Sign In option. Click it, then enter your email and password to access your account, and click Login. Once you're in, navigate to the Products area and choose Forms. This is where all the form building tools live. To start a new form, click Create Form. You'll be prompted to choose what kind of form you want to create, so pick the option that fits your use case. Next, give your form a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can find it easily later. From here, you can either start from a blank canvas or use a template. Templates are great if you want a head start with pre-built fields. A blank form is perfect when you want full control. Click the option you prefer to continue. Inside the builder, you'll see three key areas of tools: basic fields, advanced fields, and layout and sections. Basic fields cover the essentials you see on most forms. These are the main building blocks you'll use again and again. Advanced fields offer more specialized options for specific scenarios, and layout and sections help you organize the flow of your form so it's easy for people to complete. To build your form, choose the fields you want to add and simply drag them into the working area on the right. You can rearrange them by dragging up or down until they're in the order you like. Common choices include a name field, an email address field, and a phone number field, but feel free to add whatever fits your purpose. As you place fields, think about the path your respondent will take. Group related questions together to make the experience smooth and reduce drop-offs. If you add something by mistake or change your mind later, it's easy to clean up. Click the field you want to remove, look for the trash icon at the upper right of that field, and click it. When prompted, click Delete to confirm. This helps keep your form tidy and focused on only the questions you need, and that's the basics. You searched for Formstack, signed in, opened Forms under Products, created a form, named it, chose blank or template, explored the basic, advanced, and layout tools, dragged in the fields you wanted, and learned how to delete anything you don't need. You're ready to build forms that look professional and collect the right information efficiently.